market is changing, people around you change.
Iya, tapi mungkin
business
gini
change.
ya, changing tuh inevitable.
Inevitable.
Halo MTFers, ketemu lagi sama Samira dan Alia.
Hi everyone. Kita di studio baru nih, so welcome to our new home.
Ini settingannya agak beda ya. Ini kayak ceritanya lagi ngobrol santai
di our living room. And this is our wallpaper yang biasa ya. So Al, how are you doing?
I'm good. Agak lemes sih.
It's February.
No, iya.
Bentar
oh
lagi.
My God, 2023 udah Februari
Udah
aja.
Februari. Oh my God. So time passes so fast. It
What
seems,
have you been doing?
What have we been doing? Time passes so fast, but yet it seems so slow. And it doesn't seem like anything is changing, but everything is changing.
That's so depressing.
Is it depressing?
Nggak tahu ya, karena kalau misalnya lo ngelihatnya belum accomplish apa-apa kan jadinya ya nggak apa ya, kayaknya your hard work and everything nggak membuahkan hasil atau gimana ya kayak gitu.
Iya. Wait, gimana?
Never mind.
No.
Iya, kalau misalnya tadi lo bilang, ini time passes so fast kayaknya, tapi ya kan passes so
but
fast.
everything stays the same.
Everything stays the same. But we work so hard. Every day, like every day kita kayak put all of our energy untuk usaha-usaha kita for everything. Tapi kalau misal ternyata ini kok kayaknya nggak ada yang berubah, are we doing
anything?
Are we doing anything?
Are we doing anything? Are we taking a step forward? Is it actually making a difference?
Tapi mungkin kayak gitu memang nggak bisa dilihatnya dari ini ya. Tapi kalau mungkinnya that's why ya, we need to keep track kayak kita tuh bulan lalu what have we accomplished gitu loh. Itu sebenarnya kalau ngelihat gitu bisa ternyata kita udah maju walaupun kelihatannya very small, tapi sebenarnya we are moving forward.
Yeah. But that's the thing, right? Like sebenarnya is things changing, because when we look back a year ago, a lot of things have changed. A lot of things have changed. Kita udah kayak
even during pandemic loh.
Yeah.
During pandemic yang kayaknya udah deh kita tiarap aja. Enggak loh, we've accomplished. Kalau dilihat lagi ya, we've accomplished a lot of good things juga.
Yeah,
gitu.
We have accomplished a lot of good things.
So, good job.
Good job. But that's the thing, right? Everything changes. Are we ready for all of the change? Because you are scared of change.
I'm scared. Gue orang yang
I want to know why you're scared of change.
Nggak tahu. I'm a creature of pengennya di safe zone. Everything tuh kayak kalau udah, if there's nothing broken, why fix it gitu loh.
But
why
they do
change
say that success and growth, it's outside.
Is this your inspirational quote?
Yeah, I'm not allowed to be inspirational today, guys. I'm not allowed to be inspirational.
Apa? What's the quote? I've never heard that.
The quote is, everything becomes you become successful once you push yourself outside of the comfort zone, of your comfort zone. And you don't like to be pushed out of your comfort zone because you like to be inside your safe zone. But the thing is, even when you are in a safe zone, everything outside is changing. Everything outside is changing. Market is changing. People around you change.
Iya, tapi mungkin gini
change.
Ya. Changing tuh inevitable.
Inevitable.
Itu changing
inevitable.
Ngerti nggak?
Inevitable is unavoidable, guys.
Itu iya gitu, tapi sesuatu changing yang drastis lah gitu loh. I don't like that gitu loh. Of course setiap hari ada new target, new campaign, apapun hal-hal itu tuh pasti
ada.
Itu datang and I'm okay with that. Tapi yang kayak zaman dulu lah, misalnya dari corporate terus kayak berubah haluan gitu loh. Atau misalnya sekarang ini let's say ini podcast MTF namanya diganti gitu loh. Tiba-tiba something yang
that's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal, sorry. That's not a bad thing. Itu beda.
Okay,
tapi sesuatu yang drastis yang gue gak bisa. Itu kayak it's hard for me.
All right, let's talk about this for a moment. What are life's changes that actually should kayak bikin orang kaget or something? Ya, nomor satu mungkin when a friend changes. Kayak you've known a person for so long and then
Tapi suddenly berubah.
Tiba-tiba they change.
Tapi maksudnya even us, we change lah gitu loh, berubah. You've grown, you're more mature, you're
I
like
am
kayak
definitely more mature.
If you know Samira yang dulu. Ya, tapi
I am
maksudnya
definitely
more mature. Tapi kan nggak lo langsung berubah tiba-tiba suatu hari kan.
Pelan-pelan.
Gradually. Have I changed?
You've changed for the better. I've influenced you.
Iya. Tapi kan gitu
Okay.
pelan-pelan. Tapi kalau ada juga kan ada orang nih friendship tiba-tiba this person berubah aja, stop talking to you, or suddenly
That's happened to me before.
gitu. Maksudnya ada orang tiba-tiba berhenti ngomong sama
Iya.
lo. Iya kayak gitu. Atau dia tiba-tiba I don't know something gitu loh yang berubah banget. I cannot kayak ini ya.
Yang pertama, people can change.
Okay, people can change.
People can change. And I think this is something that is really hard for people to accept juga. Kalau misalnya kita tiba-tiba mau berubah, mau jadi lebih baik gitu kan. People can accept it aja. Tapi kalau misalnya mikir nih, kalau if you meet a friend and they're like, oh, you have changed since you've been in high school atau college gitu. Ya iyalah. Like pastinya.
Iya.
Thankfully I changed, right?
Iya,
like
iya.
we want to change.
Iya,
we want to
kalau
grow.
enggak ya you enggak grown as a
Iya.
person kan.
Tapi kayaknya beda kalau misalnya your values change. Iya nggak sih?
Iya, itu
Kalau
iya.
misalnya, so I think we can accept someone changing as long as their values or their principles don't change.
Iya, or not being themselves gitu. Sometimes people
not being themselves. But
kayak,
maybe when you knew them, they didn't even know who they were themselves.
mungkin contohnya mesti konkret ya. Let's say punya teman deket, she's kayak ya udah grown together lah,
Yeah,
apalah
yeah.
gitu loh. Tapi suddenly dia hang out with certain people. Terus pas balik ke lo lagi kayak you know what, kayak terus berubah gitu kayak you know gue sorry ya bahasa Inggris mulu deh gue bisanya ngomongnya gitu loh sampai or gue harus inspirational quote mulu gitu loh. You know kayak hal-hal
Yeah.
seperti itu yang kayak ya lo kenapa harus berubah
Kayak
banget
gitu.
kayak gitu kayak
Santai aja, it's
santai
just me.
aja.
It's just
me gitu loh. You don't have to
Yeah.
fake it juga.
Yeah.
Maksudnya hal-hal itu yang kayaknya changes yang sometimes nggak acceptable gitu.
Iya, nggak acceptable.
Itu apa lagi changes? Oke, French
change. I think your
relationship change.
your relationships change. Your relationships change. I think I've been married to 3 different people.
Which one do you like more?
Okay, so I've been married udah 13 tahun nih, tahun ini 13
Okay.
tahun.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I know I got married very young. But 13 tahun tapi kayaknya pasangan tuh juga berubah dengan kondisi lifestyle juga.
Yeah.
When we first got married, dua-duanya belum punya anak, right?
Thank God.
Belum punya anak, masih carefree banget, baru mulai career. I didn't have a career.
Yeah.
As I mentioned before, when I got married, I was like a stay-at-home wife. Not even a stay-at-home mom.
Why?
Stay-at-home wife. I just hung out at home watching Netflix. And then, and he was like devoted to me. We spent so much time together. And then fast forward, kita udah punya anak, ya udah waktunya. I then transitioned to a stay-at-home mom, and then I went to school, back to get my MBA. And then I changed, and he changed as well, right? And then sekarang, fast forward again, the next 5 years, he's busy with work, I'm busy with work. We have to make dates together. Bener-bener usaha banget. So it has been changes, right? Like now I'm married to like a workaholic, while maybe in the beginning I was married to a carefree guy. So kadang-kadang pasti ada nostalgia juga, kayak aduh pengen banget ya kayak dulu, pengen
tapi
banget kayak
ya beda.
gitu.
Tapi sebenarnya ini yang tadi lo bilang orang berubah, tapi kan value-nya tetap nggak berubah.
Value-nya
dong.
tetap
keluarga, tentang ya dedicated, kayak dedicated husband.
Values-nya dan prinsipalnya sama. Karena ya when we got married to each other, we got married to the vision of togetherness kan. So yeah.
Ya tapi kan kalau misalnya berubahnya, that's why you stay the same gitu loh. Maksudnya berubah tapi kan for values-nya sama, prinsipalnya sama, is just kondisinya berubah sekarang punya anak, tapi kan tetap tuh the value tuh tetap sama kan. Tapi kalau yang berubah, I mean there's a lot of relationship juga berubah tiba-tiba. Tadinya baik-baik tiba jadi suka party gitu loh, suka mabuk-mabukan gitu. I don't know, stuff like that gitu loh. Itu kan yang jadi lo kan dulu nggak kayak gitu gitu loh. So I think ya itu changes, you need to be careful with changes juga. You don't want to be kayak you lose yourself. You need to be yourself juga. Tapi you have to grow.
Yeah, you do have to grow. So now we're talking about internal changes, right?
Internal changes.
Things that we can control, or when we see others, we see that like ya we can also control. Misalnya kita udah nggak suka sama mereka, ya udah we just avoid them, right? Tapi how about like external changes, which is like bigger than you, bigger than yourself? Ya misalnya kayak a business change, business transformation, misalnya, ya kan. Terus yang kedua market changes. So business transformation tuh kayak
ya misalnya dulu konvensional sekarang jadi digital semua.
Atau enggak even as simple as Tinkerlust ya, waktu pertama kita mulai 7 tahun yang lalu bener-bener nggak ada competitors, nggak ada. Tapi sekarang tiba-tiba banyak banget ya. We have to adapt, we have to be more relevant, and we have to understand our consumers juga. Kalau misalnya kita stagnant and we do
udah
not
ketinggalan,
change,
jadi dinosaur.
that's the thing, right? So
itu nggak apa-apa. Are you saying I'm not adapting?
No, I'm just saying. Tapi bisa aja kita kayak enggak we're gonna stay as we are. Dan banyak banget bisnis kayak gitu, kayak
gitu.
Kayak ya udah kita udah.
I've seen a lot of kayak big business yang legacy business. Mereka merasa enggak, gila gue nggak akan goyang. I stay true to myself, nggak mau goyang. Asli mati sekarang. You've seen lah gitu loh. Di sini sekarang banyak banget yang kayak begitu gitu. So iya sih kalau in terms of business nggak bisa, malah sekarang tuh dengan digital dan lain changes
so
itu cepet banget.
And then with like digital transformation and everything like that, like we are semi-digital native, like kita masih ingat waktu nggak ada internet dan lain-lain ya. Tapi all of these youngins like Gen Z, they are keluar dari rumah sakit tuh udah ngerti TikTok gitu, you know what I mean? Like they already have an Instagram, IG handle gitu kan. So for us to be relevant, for us to connect with them, pastinya we also need to transform and change.
Iya, benar-benar.
Yeah.
Tapi apa yang misalnya yang berat deh, yang susah ya? Gue lagi mikir sih, soalnya tadi kan ngomongnya kan gue gak suka berubah nih, tapi kayak berubah yang.
Tapi banyak loh orang-orang kayak leaders that don't want to
change.
adapt. They don't want to adapt to maybe like Google Calendar, or you know they still just depend on manual ways to remember things.
Benar-benar.
Because it's hard.
Susah banget. Efektif juga.
Susah banget kalau misalnya udah live in one way and they're used to in one way and they learn a different skill as we get older is even harder.
So how do you think the best way untuk keep up terus without losing yourself juga, your
without
value?
losing your essence? I know that's like, it is hard because when we're talking about ourselves, it's different because it's our choice and we don't have to think about profits dan lain-lain. Kalau misalnya, you know what I mean? Tapi when we talk business at the end of the day, yang paling penting adalah profits, revenues,
ujung-ujungnya
market
kan
share,
gitu.
right? And kalau kayak gitu, ya kita harus dengerin consumer. Iya.
Even sekarang a lot of business juga pivot gak sih? Jadinya yang tadinya misalnya jualannya apa, ya karena marketnya ternyata gak ada atau makin kecil, they have the asset yang mereka bisa support yang melakukan hal yang lain, ya produknya berubah gitu loh. That's untuk adapt juga gak sih ke market kalau kayak begitu?
Gimana?
Ada banyak bisnis juga yang ngomongin mungkin value gue samain nama produk lah. Tadinya tuh jualan tapi harus pivot karena ya namanya bisnis ya. You need to be profitable gitu loh. Jadinya dia harus pivot to other thing yang sesuai sama yang aset-aset yang dia punya. Misalnya dia punya technical skills yang mereka ada, aset-asetnya whatever lah, punya warehouse kali, punya aplikasi gitu loh. Tapi dia harus berubah produknya, the way they do the business itu juga banyak terjadi.
That's what happened during the pandemic. Ingat kan waktu a lot of e-commerces had warehouses and then they were like, okay, we have all of this.
We even tried to pivot.
We tried to pivot. We did 2 business models during the business models that didn't really work out akhirnya karena emang memulai dari awal.
Tapi memakai aset yang kita udah punya gitu loh. Tapi sometimes nggak bisa juga, but we try to inilah ya intinya riding the wave, lihat market yang opportunity-nya ada, tapi
so mungkin lessonnya ada ini, kalau misalnya we see that the market is changing, rather than try to come up with a new product, we look at the existing assets and look at our core, gimana caranya memakai platform, tools and technology to make our current product more relevant, rather than ya udah kayak mulai dari awal. Iya. Karena mulai dari awal tuh susah loh, kayak biasanya tuh kalau I don't think I want to do that anymore.
Kita udah, soalnya kita menjalani kayak gitu ya,
Yeah.
bisnis yang benar-benar very organic gitu loh.
Yeah.
Sama, tapi kita sekarang udah harus be smart about it gitu, karena ya itu ya, the market changes dan kompetitor tuh banyak banget. A lot of people with,
And what they're doing is they don't have to experience all the learnings. Mereka tuh bisa shortcut aja. Shortcut to the growth
benar,
gitu.
benar.
So they don't have this like historical baggage.
Benar. Gak perlu trial and error yang terlalu banyak juga.
Historical
gitu.
baggage itu banyak banget. Traditional companies udah, yes, they have the market and everything, but they also have historical baggage that doesn't allow them to be agile and change even if they wanted to. So sekarang, you know, right? There's a lot of companies that do want to do digital transformation, tapi baggage yang mereka udah ada, udah susah banget.
Itu berat banget. Dan itu lebih susah ya mau mentransform kayak gitu, karena you need to clean up dulu, and it's not easy ya kayak clean up gitu, dan how to fast forward untuk you come up with something yang baru gitu loh. Tapi udah langsung harus bisa bersaing dengan apa yang ada di market gitu loh. Itu berat.
Iya, berat. So, okay.
Jangan sampai ketinggalan intinya.
Intinya jangan sampai ketinggalan, tapi kalau misalnya mau lebih inovatif, look and listen to your core values, your core products, rather than kayak terlalu
muluk-muluk
dan terlalu apa ya itu, go outside the lines.
Yeah.
Stay within like your strengths.
Ya itu balik lagi kayak gitu.
Stay within your values.
Your values. Tapi ya udah, growth-nya itu, changes-nya itu tetap harus terjadi.
Tapi kadang-kadang tuh kayak scenario kayak pandemic dan sekarang juga kayak recession, it actually is a really good opportunity for you to push yourself and look at other opportunities for you to be innovative. Karena di Tinkerlust kemarin, if you guys don't remember, me and Alia also have a business. It's called Tinkerlust Pre-Loved Luxury Marketplace.
I'm sorry, ini kan hardcore fans ya, super fans kita pasti udah tahu. Ini kan super fans.
Jutaan followers kita udah tahu ya, kita co-foundernya Tinkerlust. Okay. Anyways, waktu pandemic and sekarang juga, because we are like pushed by the recession, kita tuh harus inovatif how to continue to be profitable during this hard time. So it pushes you to think about ways and opportunities.
Think out the box juga, push ourselves sih, benar.
Yep, exactly.
Iya.
So, in summary, changes are good. Stick to your values. Don't look outside, because the grass will always be greener on the other side. But if you stay true to your core values, your core principles, be effective and efficient
juga lah with what you're doing.
You'll
get there. We'll get there, Sam.
We'll get there.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We hope you blossom into the best version of yourselves.
Iya, nih masih awal tahun deh ya, bisa kita bilang ya, masih awal tahun ya. Hopefully tahun ini menjadi lebih baik juga untuk kita semua. Jangan lupa untuk follow Instagram kita di
stellarwomen.id.
Okay, see you next time.
Thank you.